Hi, today I will discuss the module 8. The topic is deconstructivism for third year, sixth semester. What is deconstructivism? It was started in 1980. Its view of architecture in bits and pieces, no visual any logic. Building may be appear to made up of the many abstract form, and that's why the architect was present is the fantasy building, and more than we say the free follow of the forms and any functions. Ideas were borrowed from the French philosopher and Jacques Derrida. The slide is show the many type of building of deconstructivism, which is very abstract, and form follow the fantasy. My next slide is convey what is the deconstructivism. Deconstructivism is the part of modern architecture and postmodern architecture. It is rationally of modern architecture and opposite of postmodern architecture. The modern architect like Robert Venturi says the complexity and the contradiction in the architecture argues against the purity, clarity and simplicity of modern. So, it is the opposition movement of the modern architecture with the publication, the functionalism and rationalism, the two main branches of modern architecture. It is overturned at the paradigms. Some postmodernism were overturned as the paradigm. Some postmodernism architect endeavored to the rapidly ornamented over the economical and minimal the building, and describe the Venturi as the decorated shed. The slides show the Lipskin Imperial War Museum, North Manchester. It is the examples of the modernism architecture comprises is fragmented, intersecting carved various volumes, symbolism of the deconstructions of ware. The Waxen Center of the Art, Ohio State University, North High Street at Columbus, Ohio. What is the contemporary art of this architecture? The two strains of modern art, minimalism of cubism, have had the influence of the deconstructivism. The scenicity of disjoint space and evident of many work of Franco Gehry and Bernard Tsunami. Mark Weigley and Philip Johnson's curated in 1988 the Museum of Modern Art exhibition Deconstructivism Architecture, which is crystallized the movement and brought the fame notoriety its key practitioner. The architect present the exhibitions were Peter Einstein, Franco Gehry, Zaha Hadid, Kof Himmelhuber, Remy Koolhaas, and Daniel Lipskin and Bernard Tsunami. They are the most important deconstructivism architect. The next slide shows the Lipskin view. The Lipskin Imperial War Museum in North Manchester, the prime examples of deconstructivism architecture. It is comprised of free fragment and intersecting carved volume and symbolize the constructions of ware. Waxen Center, Art Ohio State University of High Street, Columbus, also the another examples of Lipskin. Number 2, the Guggenheim Museum, Biblo, architect Franco Gehry. Suttle Center Library, architect Rem Koolhaas. Geos Museum, Berlin, Germany, architect Daniel Lipskin. And one of the most important building of Zaha Hadid, Vitra Fire Stations, is discussed the another session. Thank you.